What's up everyone? Hope you have a wonderful day. It's Lana here. Welcome back to my brand new YouTube video ever. So right now I am so excited because I am going to explore, and especially I will show you guys the hidden waterfall which is located in Kampot province. What is that? It's a cow. So this waterfall is called VEAL POCH waterfall. If you guys want to visit this waterfall, it's not hard. So you need to leave Kampot city, go to the Boko road, and then after that, no, you not go to the Boko road. You leave the new bridge, and then you carry on with the national road. About 500 meters, you will see the pagoda gate. So when you see that pagoda gate, you can turn right and then keep straight for 8 kilometers, and then you will see this amazing waterfall. Let me show you. So this is the first step of the waterfall. So I heard there are a lot of waterfall over there, so you can climb that mountain. And then there are so many different places, like especially like this place here, you can see like this pool, the pool spot, so you can swim in here. Imagine, it's pretty cool. Oh my god, look at that, they have swing. Wow, the water is so clear. Look, you can diving in here. Oh my god, it's crazy. Look at that water, it's so clear. And the tree around here. What is this? What fruit is this? It looks like pepper, but it's not. It's tree. It's so crazy. Let me show you another level of the waterfall.
At some point it's going to rain. We knew this today, so we decided to stop off here and have our lunch early, because we don't want to be eating in the rain. We want to eat a bit of soggy bread and egg. So we stopped off here. We managed to get the drone out to have a look ahead of what we're going to do. We've been having a drone. Where do we go? Put the drone up and have a look. It's a beautiful area. Some people might just come just to see this. But it's not the waterfall. I think we've got to walk for another half an hour. I think it's a half an hour walk to the waterfall.
Yeah.
Probably a half-hour walk to the waterfall. We're only 10 minutes in, but it looks nice and sunny, and you guys might be thinking, what? It doesn't look like it's going to rain. It will rain. It will rain. And that means I'm just looking at a drone where I can't use. Could use you, the GoPro. Okay. Let's get moving.
So let me explain about this. This is the way you go up to the highest waterfall point, and you keep walking on this road and just keep walking, and be careful because you will see a lot of different insects, especially the black ant. The black ant is more dangerous, isn't it?
What?
The black ant is more dangerous than any ants. Like in the forest, we need to avoid that black ant, and especially there are the worm, like worm. I don't know what it's called, but it's dangerous as well. So this is another step. Oh, another step to the waterfall. So this is the bridge, what it looks like.
In this part of a mountain, this is where they do the slash and burn technique. So the nutrients, there's not a lot of nutrients in the soil, mainly through surface runoff. So therefore they burn sections, which is clearing it, adding nutrients into the soil and making grow. And you can see in other parts that they've done this, they're planting banana trees. Sometimes they do this and they don't grow any bananas.
Yeah.
So it's pretty much hoping that this effort will work out. I get some bananas, I can earn some money and eat some delicious bananas.
Yeah.
This is the slash and burn technique, which doesn't happen in the UK.
Incredible stuff. Let's keep walking. Oh, what is this? It is the ant mountain.
People have said when you're filming. Bye.
So we need to go to the top because there's no other way. Oh, fish is inside, look. Wow, butterfly. Oh, lots of fish. Wow. So you go, you climb up now. Come on, you can do it. What's wrong? I know how to get that up here. Wait. Huh?
I'll walk around. There's another dog under there. Cambodia is ant country, dog country, and the scariest butterfly country.
It is not a problem at all.
If you want to see the butterflies, you have to get used to the ants, and you have to get used to the dogs.
It blocked the road.
Ants and dogs.
Oh, you haven't seen the road.
Ah, we're blocked in.
Ooh, look at that butterfly. It's too yellow, too color. Ooh. God. So cool. Wow. Look. A lot of color, right? God. What are they doing? They block the road.
Oh. 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 The weather today said it was going to be about 30 degrees. But it said its actual feel is going to be 37. I actually don't feel hot, I'm just awfully sweaty. I don't feel hot at all. Just luckily we brought enough water. Wow. Huh? In the jungle. Right, so. Oh, it was over there. If I put my foot and slip, it'll land on my ass on that branch, won't I? That stick looks stable. Oh, stable enough. Something like that. Sort of through there as we went. So which way are we going? I think we got to get over there. There you go, Bear Grylls has got nothing on me. Ooh, a boat. In the jungle, the mighty jungle. Get eaten by a snake. I just slipped in the river. Not too bad with the shoe, but I didn't have a GoPro running. How lucky is that, but I'm telling you now. It's like I'm just Lana's personal cameraman. You see what?
Motorbike here.
Motorbike tyres?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
No.
Sure it's not a... Sure it's not the Cambodian boa snake? Huh. What on earth is it?
Wow. It's crazy.
That is crazy. Ah, something to research. No, they're sending him out front to scare away the snakes.
The mushroom only is so cool, bro.
Cute?
I mean, I never seen
Cute?
like this before.
You think mushrooms are cute?
It's cool.
Cool. Yeah, weird. It's strange that you just see like one.
I mean, I never see anything like this in my life. This is a motorbike road, finally. No, it's not.
Oh, it's... Look what I got to do. In spots, you'll see these red arrows. These arrows will tell you you're going the right direction. Use them to get out as well. Hansel and Gretel style.
What is this?
It's poisonous. Now that you've touched it, your hands are poisoned and you're going to die.
No poison
In half an hour, you're going to shock.
You see that tree over there? The tree, yellow one.
Yeah.
The red one.
Yeah.
It's cool.
It's a tree. I'll give you that one. Ah, lost my hat. Oh. Regained my hat. In case snakes drop on my head. Ah, lost my head again. Oh.
You want to go through another waterfall? I don't know this road or not. But even be there because this way be there.
I don't know.
You see this flower? It's pretty cool, guy.
Everything is cool in Milano world. Yeah, and one nettle's gonna get you. Brambles, it's not, these are also mostly soft.
Oh wow, look at this. Look like leche.
Ah, poisonous. Oh, what is it? It's pipe, is it?
One.
It's a vine?
Mm.
Look at, oh.
You can use it as a furniture.
As what? Furniture?
Yeah. It's hard. It's really hard, and you bend it and you make it as an art furniture.
You see this? That does not look natural. What are they, like seeds inside, or they store water?
It's not seed, it's just vine. You can make it as a chair, like a chair.
I mean, it pretty much looks just like wood down there, and the minute it's going up. Hey, you got to go my way, downhill.
You can do it, come on. Okay. Let's go. We are so close to the waterfall. Look at that. Man, it's so cold. Let's step. Oh. Big jump. Almost. Go. No. God. Look at this one. Let's see. Oh, it's moving. It's shaking. My turn.
Pointless maneuver. Okay, we're going to walk past this rock here. The ledge is not steep, but It's too steep to decide the waterfall.
Hey, you go first. No time left. Wait. Do you believe it or not? Do you believe it or not? I will show you guys one of the most incredible waterfalls here. Wow. Ooh. Are you ready? Listen. Are you ready? Ooh. Oh my God, look. That's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching our video, and if you guys want to visit this waterfall, is worth it. It's such a beautiful waterfall which is located in Kampot province, not far, about 10 kilometers. And so this is the hidden waterfall, so nobody really know about it. Not a lot of people know that this waterfall exists.